Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add USDC to your MetaMask wallet. Now to do this, you need to have the MetaMask extension from Google Chrome installed on your browser. And once that's done, you want to click on the extension bar or the extension button on the upper right corner. Click on MetaMask. You're going to be shown this here where you need to log into your wallet. Click unlock and you will be able to see your wallet. Now, how do you add USDC? It's quite simple. If you look under tokens on the bottom, you're going to have three dots here on the right hand side. Clicking this will give you an option to manage tokens or refresh your list. So we want to click on manage tokens because USDC isn't really in the default list, right? So we want to add that here. So clicking on manage tokens, you're going to be brought here. Now on the search bar, you want to enter USDC like so. And it's there's different options. So you have Ethereum, Linea, Base, Ethereum, depending on what network you use the most. For example, you use Ethereum the most, so you want to enable that like so, and then go back, click on refresh list. If you scroll down, you might be wondering, well, where is my USDC? It's not here. It's quite simple. It's under low value tokens. So if you scroll down, there it is. That is how you add USDC to your MetaMask wallet. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.